Today's morning catch. Once number. Some people had said to me, just make video of your village. And I am at the top of the mountain. This is the road here. And this is the valley. This is the valley. See this. And my valley is this. This is the valley. And valley is covered by around all sides by a mountain. And down here there is my village. See this. This is next Switzerland of India. Very nice place, cool place. And I am at the top of the mountain now. And I will go now to my village. See, I'll show you here. See this. This is the road here. See this. I think so. Linit had said that you make video, offline video. Last time I was unable to make the video because there was rain. So now there is no rain. So I'm making the video. See this. Wow. See this. And see that there is a dam there. From here, Kalamodi Dam we can see. I'll show you. Dekho Kalamodi Dam. See that dam. See that. See the water. You can see the water. See, this is all water. Kalamodi Dam. See this. All water. And down here, see this vehicle is going. And see all the greenery and all the farming which has been done here. Okay. If you like this video, share this video. See, cool place. After my retirement, I will come here and stay here. After age 50, I will come and stay here. Okay. My dear friends, early morning 5:30 I came here, and I am alone. I am alone here right now, and search the crabs and myself. Search the crabs. I had come with this torch. See this torch. At 5:30 I had come. See this torch. 5:30 I had come. Still it is burning. Okay. And how much crabs I got? See. It is small crabs. It's good to taste. And this is, see this. Yesterday night I caught around 20. Means at 7:30 I had gone. I caught 20 yesterday night, and now at 5:30 I came. Still I am searching. See this. Alone. I don't require anyone. I don't require anyone. And my village is Switzerland. You get crabs, you get fish, you get fresh air. See this fresh air, and everything you get. Okay, you get everything. And so, in my retirement life, I will be here, living here, enjoying the crabs, enjoying the nature, and alone. I don't require anyone. Alone, I can live alone. I am born alone, can live alone, and I know that I will go alone from this world. I don't require anyone. Okay. Now there is requirements. If I'm married, there will be only wife, but else I don't require anyone. Okay. खाओ पे ऐश करो, enjoy करो. जिंदगी थोड़े दिन की है. See that snake. See that snake. It has caught. It has caught the. It has caught the frog. Snake has caught the frog. How it cries. All the poison gone into the frog. See how it crying. Crag. See. Snakes are very dangerous. This is live. See this snake. Snake has caught. See this. See the snake. Snake has caught the frog. Wow, very danger. Same like small child. Frog is crying. See the blood came. See how it is eating. How this eating, see. Taken the legs inside now. See. Both the legs it has taken. They're very danger. If you like this video, share the video. Today's morning catch. World's number. Today's morning catch. World's number one. Today's morning catch. I had gone to village yesterday and morning catch. This is morning catch. 4:30 a.m. catch. World's number